When the power of your engine is unleashed, Kixx triple-double technology is maximized. High-speed driving, urban traffic congestion, unexpected weather, and engine downsizing are pushing your engine into extreme environmental conditions. Introducing Kixx triple-double technology, boasting an optimum performance for your fast-developing engine while overcoming such conditions. Preventing 3 problems your engine would face through triple anti-technology and enhancing 2 stability factors while driving through double boosting technology. We present Kixx triple-double technology. Improving fuel efficiency as your engine's internal friction is reduced. Preventing and eliminating varnish and sludge formed by the engine's heat-caused deterioration and oxidation of lubricants. Creating an oil film in each of the components to protect your engine and help prolong its lifespan. Maintaining the stable performance of lubricants in various thermal conditions. And minimizing the viscosity change even under harsh shear conditions. Kixx provides optimum performance in any circumstance. Technology for the essence of your engine. Kixx triple-double technology.